Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, a look at the headlines. Recovery rate among COVID-19 patients reaches 78.28% in the country so far, said Health Ministry. Multi-speciality Woodland WK Hospital was inaugurated by Meghalaya Health and Family Welfare Minister A.L. Hek today. Central leadership will decide on withdrawing support from MDA government, said A.L. Hek. And the Shillong All Faiths Forum to decide on SOPs to reopen places of worship soon. And now the news in detail. The recovery rate among COVID-19 patients has reached 78.28%. In all, 79,292 COVID patients recovered and were discharged from the hospitals during the last 24 hours. Health Ministry said the total number of recoveries has reached 38,59,399. It said the constant increase in recoveries ensured that the actual caseload of the country is reduced and currently comprises only 20.08% of the total positive cases. The total number of positive cases has now reached 49,30,236. Presently, the total number of active cases in the country is 9,90,061. The multi-speciality Woodland WK Hospital was inaugurated today by Meghalaya Health and Family Welfare Minister A.L. Hek in the presence of Jowai local MLA Wailad Miki Shilla, West Jaintia Hills District Deputy Commissioner Garod L.S.N. Dykes, Managing Director Dr. W.R. Karshing, MDC Jowai North Bright Star Shirmang, Director of Health Service AWAR and doctors and staff of Woodland. In his welcome address, Dr. Karshing informed that the hospital is equipped with 108 beds and other facilities like ETP and STP, which are for hospital waste management and water treatment. While addressing the gathering, A.L. Hek expressed his hopes for this hospital to be a temple of the mankind with 80% of the employment generation for Jaintia Hills, especially for Suba Muswang, and will also ease the burden of the hospitals in Shillong. He also urged the doctors and the staff nurses to render equal service to the general public. Other dignitaries who spoke on this occasion were Daloy Jowai Puramon Kinjing and Wahe Chnong Suba Muswang Telmi Pawa.
Nimit kita kani hospital dan ai jinggerku ke Bakrau dan wanda di Jinukam jong kani Shillong. But how juga poru, he has created employment. He is the employer. Kibrio jong kani Shillong yang dikatakan kibisong kebasa. Well, kalau kita jinggerku dah kebenta kibalik bawan. Mau kani kadi national highway. There are so many people are going from this national highway from Shillong, Jowai to other places. They also will be immensely benefit through this hospital.
After Meghalaya, BJP President Ernest Maury claimed that they would withdraw support to the NPP-led MDA government in the state. Party MLA and Minister A.L. Hek said that the state leadership alone cannot take a final call on this matter. Speaking to the reporter, A.L. Hek said that he would write to the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma to look into this matter since the party has come out with facts and figures in connection with the allegations in both the JHDC and the GHDC. He further said that they will have to apprise the central party leadership if party leadership in the state feels that the situation warrants the withdrawal of support from the present MDA government.
Tadadal gano bajimbakla gijongi masyarakat bungi tre maki gidon hi la jong da benta ya ga bagi debano le bade bale mwa dam tar jim to jong paiba.
The Ribhoi district received 9 ambulances and 4 supervisory vehicles sanctioned under the Niti Aayog's Aspirational District Program. These ambulances were launched yesterday at Circuit House, Nongpo by 4 MLAs of the district: Meryl Bonds Aim, MLA Nongpo; George B. Lingdo, MLA Umroi; Jason S. Maulong, MLA Umshning; and Sosthenas Sotun, MLA Jirang, along with 2 MDCs and Deputy Commissioner R.M. Kurba, among others. Speaking on the occasion, R.M. Kurba informed that Ribhoi district, as one of the aspirational district, has been awarded with rupees 3 crores for being first in the list of aspirational districts in the country on the basis of performance. It has been proposed to purchase ambulances and boleros for supervision of the health sector and also provide some other facilities to certain schools in the district from this awarded money.
Last 5 months, serve the people, and what at this particular moment, serving the people through reaching out to them in the way that we really need the facility was a major gap in performing of our duties.
Members of the Public Account Committee, headed by Dr. Ampreen Lingdo, MLA, today inspected and reviewed the functioning of the first high-tech modern fish market, which was set up by the Fisheries Department at Saiden near Nongpo, Ribhoi district. The building was inaugurated in August 2018 by the then Fisheries Minister of the state, Komingon Yambon. The market was constructed at the estimated cost of rupees 1.64 crore. But unfortunately, since then, after a few months, the market has been seen the dark side as the building could not boost the fish farmers. The PAC members have taken up the initiative to review the situation and discuss how to make this fish market functional well and can really be beneficial to the fish farmers of the district. PAC members who accompany the chairman include Congress MLA H.M. Shampliang, Meryl Bonds Aim, A.L. Maulong and Director Fisheries Department, among others.
Shillong kala shimti ya kani ka jaka hadin baka sarkar kala dekhau ya kani ka fish market ngiyo iba kimut ban pun kala ya kani ka yau kum ka yau de do kha ha ki yau te kata kanum trikam ha ka jing shisha kani kade ka jaka ka ba baro ki bayo benefit na ki scheme ki ba fair jong ka sarkar ha ka ba ya dei bat ka fishery dei ban don ka jing yete lang.
A meeting of the Shillong All Faiths Forum SAFF was held in Shillong under the chairmanship of Chief Secretary M.S. Rao on Monday. Speaking to the reporters after the meeting, M.S. Rao informed that it was just a preliminary discussion and the forum has submitted documents requesting minor changes to the SOPs that were earlier published. Rao said that they will be meeting again in the next 2 to 3 days after examining the documents and will finalize the SOPs by the end of this week. He further said that they will see the situation in the last week of September and then take a final call on the reopening of worship places. Regarding the issue of Akasi Jayantia Presbyterian Assembly going against the government to reopen these places, even if the government restricts, Rao said that he was unaware but was confident enough that the people will abide by the government's orders.
Right now we are finalizing the SOP. Tentatively, in the meeting chaired by Honorable Chief Minister some time back, it was agreed that we'll open in October, first week of October, but it was tentatively agreed. So we'll see the situation in the last week of September and then take a final call.
As Assam decided to reopen schools from the 21st of this month, a Congress legislator from Shillong too advocated for reopening of schools as he stated that online class is difficult in Meghalaya, especially in rural areas. Citing poor network connectivity as the main reason, Maulai MLA P.T. Saukme said students are not able to study properly and are losing interest as well.
Online is a big problem. Not only here, not only in rural areas, even in the city, even the cities, it's very difficult. Talking about rural areas, I may say that out of 100 students, not even 1%, many poor network, and second to that, because everybody should have his own mobile.
And now here is the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 24.1 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 18.1 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 86%, while in the evening it was 80%. Rainfall recorded was 2.7 millimeters. The forecast: Shillong and its adjoining areas will have generally cloudy sky. And that's a wrap of today's edition of the news. Thank you very much for joining us. And from all of us here, it's good night.